What up, guys? Welcome to this episode and installment of Sunday Charts. Glad to have you guys here. We're heading into the end of the month here. So I'm going to be going over just my thoughts, price action, Trump speech at the Bitcoin conference, and just overall, just market sentiment. I'm going to be going over my parameters. Let's go over my heat maps first, and let's just start the week off on a good note, everything's for the taking, so let's have a time. So I'm gonna be going over my heat maps like last week, and yeah. So basically, all that liquidity got pulled lower. Interested in to see where it's at and placed over the weekend. It was pulled lower, so you see that spoof around 63, defending that 63K area pretty well, and we just had a tear uh, for about 24 hours headed into the weekend. So, price was, let's see, I don't know where price is right now. Let's see, 68K. About, yeah, let's get this all set up. Not go on the 30-second. Let's go to the 1 hour. See how price is doing. So, let's see what we do here this week. Got some TPOs, price opportunities that are holding. Yeah, real nice bounce here. Real good bottom right here. And yeah, weekend PA, you had some crazy wicks with Trump speaking. And yeah, extremely bullish outlook overall for crypto sentiment and markets. Yeah, invalidation level, we're down here 63, 66 area to hold. Let's see if we can hold that. Let's go over to the 15-minute. See what we can do. Yeah, price. I was thinking price could gap down. Let's go over here to 68. Yeah, so I mean we gapped up. Price absolutely just gapped into pre-market 15 minutes. So looking for that 66 area to hold. That's a gap in the futures market, inefficiency. So, but we also have a couple of those. Something to keep in mind. Summer slowdown might not be over, but yeah. So we have some inefficiencies in the futures market. So we got 60K, and then we got this gap, and then I imagine we probably imagine pre-market something probably gap down. I mean, interesting PA overall, lots of inefficiencies and probably good scalps to be able to take this week. I like chaos. Markets are just fear and greed visualized here on these charts. So I don't know if people are fearful necessarily at this moment in time, but they definitely are greedy. You have a lot of greedy PA over the weekend. No inflows, pretty liquid. So my thoughts are basically, yeah, you got that 66 area to hold with VWAP for the weekly VWAP and the volume profile from last week. And yeah, lots of things to go attack. Let's go over Jito. Jito went on tear. Soul ecosystem doing great. I don't know where price is on that. We can check. Yeah, around $3. Starting to look like a downtrend, possibly, here on the 15. Crazy run. Really fun to trade. Really liking Soul ecosystem this cycle. Obviously with Flowmatic. Is Flowmatic on TradingView? Shameless shill. Nope. Not even on TradingView yet. So you're still early, You like some Flowmatic. Not really gonna talk about price of that coin at all. We can go over some alts though. The Manny. Manny's on TradingView. Cool PA. Let's go to candles. Interesting NFT drop on this coin. I'm obviously a Manny, so I'm going to be a little biased. Cheese looks pretty sold off. Probably a good pickup. You're looking to buy quality coins. Bowden, absolutely destroyed. You You picked up pennies in front of a steamroller. You're careful with risk down here. I mean, I think you could have made some money. Let's go to the 4 hour. Biden did drop out, but yeah, crazy. Crazy nevertheless. Probably pretty cooked coin. Cursed. Yeah, I don't know if raising tides, it raise sinking ships with this one. I don't know if this market ever gets a lift again. So, you know, you can chop it up as a loss if you didn't sell the top. Yeah, that coin's just been a downtrend for forever. Definitely took some losses on that one, but I weren't too bad. So, you know, chop it up to the game. What do we want to go over? Let's go over ETH, PA. So yeah, ETF on this, inflows. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect rejection. So, see how this plays out. Downtrend, obviously. Can't break that. Imagine if market does sell off. Anything under 3Ks, in my opinion, is goodbye. For a scalp or a longer position, you know. Just compound your longs. Things look pretty bullish on the outlook. Crypto. And we can go over the dollar chart. You know, dollar gets a bounce here. Probably risk askets have a hard time. Let's see what we do. We're bouncing here on the 4 hour. Fade low. Right around here. And we can go over some other coins more in depth. We can go over Solana trade. Let's go over the Solana trade more in depth. You know, 4th of July dump, nothing but an uptrend. You know, if this fade high does not hold, imagine we see 160s again. Just a range up here. So, yeah, I think this has been lagging, though, pretty hard, just in general. Pretty good uptrend. Pretty good uptrend, reclaiming it. Got a lot to go. We should probably go to the weekly on this bad boy. Got 250 to clear. That's your area to clear for a bull market. And yeah, things are looking good. So we got this upper range. So 120s looking like the bottom of the range. And we're not wicking yet, but I don't know about that weekly close. That doesn't look like the best weekly close. We'll see. We'll see what price ends up doing with this one. Overall sentiment, you know, but some good upside has been definitely captured. Might be a good idea to take profits. You can always long breakouts, or just hold if strength continues. So we can go to the 15-minute on this. I think maybe we did go over this. I don't know. Show you the heat maps. Yeah, just yeah. So watch for that 180 to hold. If it doesn't, a lot of volume getting trapped up here, late longs, and 170. Yeah. Then again, 150s. So happy to be wrong, but if we sell off, you understand why here. Yeah. Go over the futures market. I think ETH has a little catching up to do. We'll see headed into the week. Let's go over my Sol. I think, yeah, definitely went over this. Need to go over this. All right, so 172 liquidity. Yeah, matches up with TPO. 160. Similar ideas. So watch for that 160 hold. Not a lot of liquidity was offered up here heading into the weekend. So price is going to chase liquidity here on this one. Yeah, those are my thoughts. BTC Nashville was pretty influential. I'm sure some of you guys have seen the talks about U.S. adding it to the Treasury, and that is just an insane bull bull case. If a nation state is starting to play into game theory about acquiring and backing their dollar with it, I mean, it's just kind of just long year longs when that starts to happen. That's just a sane amount of confidence in a maturing market. And yeah, if anyone wants to go over, let's go to so if anyone wants to go over to Phlegmatic Terminal, please come check us out at a link in the description, and come trade on the terminal. If you want to execute well on a DEX, I think this is the place to do. We have DLMs coming into closed betas soon, and that's going to be definitely something to watch with liquidity providing, so you definitely want to come check us out. Maybe stake some tokens. Completely up to you. Completely up to you as a DeFi user, and I don't think you're going to want to miss this. Trying to lead you guys in the right direction, and thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. We're going to keep pumping these out, and yeah, best luck with your trades. Cheers, mates.